In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Telegram app to your home screen on an Android phone. Adding any app to your home screen is beneficial if you use that app regularly rather than scrolling through your pages like so, or scrolling up to get your app list. So what you need to do to add it to the home screen is scroll up to open up all your apps. Search down until you find the Telegram app. Press and hold. If you get a pop-up here saying add to home screen, just simply click that and it'll go straight to your home screen. I don't have that option available, but if I press select and make sure the Telegram app is still ticked, I can also tick any other apps that I want to add as well, but I'll just do Telegram for now. Click add, and there you can see it'll add it to the last page from my home screen. So to get it onto my home screen, I now need to press and hold and just keep dragging it, and there you can see it's now on the home screen. Again, I can press and hold and move it around and position it where I want it. But that's how you add a Telegram app to the home screen on an Android phone.